In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear data in Brave browser. Clearing your browser data is a great way to ensure your privacy and improve performance. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, launch the Brave browser on your device. Make sure it's fully loaded and you can see the home screen. This is the first step in accessing your browser settings. Take a moment to ensure your internet connection is stable, as this will help the process go smoothly. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner. You'll see an icon with three horizontal lines. This is the main menu icon. Click on it. This menu is your gateway to all the browser's features. It's important to familiarize yourself with this menu, as it gives you quick access to various settings and tools. Now that the menu is open, you will need to select Settings. It's usually located towards the bottom of the list. Clicking on Settings will bring you to a new page where you can adjust how your browser functions. This step is crucial because it allows you to tailor the browser experience to your needs and privacy preferences. After accessing the settings, look at the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll find an option labeled Privacy and Security. Click it. This section focuses on keeping your data safe and managing how your information is used. It's a critical area for maintaining your privacy while browsing the web. Once you are in the Privacy and Security section, you will see an option labeled Clear Browsing Data. Click on it. This is where you can manage what data to delete, such as cookies, cached images, and browsing history. It's essential because clearing this data can help protect your privacy and free up space. From here, you will be presented with various options for what data to clear. You can choose to delete your browsing history, cookies, cached files, and more. Decide what you want to clear based on your privacy needs. For example, clearing cookies can help prevent sites from tracking your activity, while removing cached images can free up storage. Once you've made your selections, look for the time range drop-down menu. You can choose to clear data from the past hour, day, week, month, or all time. Select the time frame that best suits your needs. This flexibility allows you to manage your data more effectively and can be particularly useful if you only need to clear recent activity. At this point, you're almost done. Double-check your selections to ensure they match your intentions. When you're ready, click the Clear Data button. This action will remove the selected data from your browser, enhancing your privacy and potentially speeding up your browsing experience. Finally, give the process a moment to complete. You might see a brief confirmation that the data has been cleared. Congratulations, you've successfully cleared your data in Brave browser. This routine maintenance can help keep your browser running smoothly and protect your personal information. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Now you know how to keep your data private and your browser efficient. Remember to perform this task regularly to maintain optimal performance and security. Have a great day and happy browsing.